Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to color label or color mark your timeline of each video you have in your timeline in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. Let's say, for instance, this particular video clip right here in this timeline. So let me just drag this right here. Okay, so this particular one here in this timeline, so I can decide to make this in another color. So select on the clip, right click on it, then come down below right here and you have the right color right here, or better still, you can press Alt plus Shift plus key on your keyboard. So let's say, for instance, I want to label this particular timeline with this red color. Select on it, so you have the color in the timeline right here. So we can select on this again, right click on it, and come down below right here. We can change this color to this type of blue right here, and it's going to be reflected just like what you see right here. So if I select on this, I right click on it, then I go ahead and then choose another color right here. So this time around I can choose this color, so you can see the color right here. I'm going to select on this, right click on it, then come down below right here, then we can choose another color for this one as well. So look at this color right here. It's that simple. So you have your color label by each timeline right here. With this will enable you to choose the right timeline that you want to work on in Filmora, just like what you see right here. So I'm going to select this, right click on it, then come down below right here. So this one here, I'm going to label it with this color right here. So let's say, for instance, I want to work on the two color, so I can decide to drag this and then adjust every based on the timeline that you color. This will make you to be able to identify each of the timeline and each of the work clip that you are doing in a particular timeline in Filmora video editing software. It's that simple. More tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Filmora video editing software. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.